Johnny's first back layout.
Oh, come on.
That's horrible.
Okay. What can I do from up here? 3, 2, 1, see. Woo! He did really well there.
Can't. Woohoo! Johnny!
Oh, it looks worse from this side.
Good luck, Alexis.
Thank you.
Have fun. This will be me and you next on the Royals. Watch what they do now.
Alright, just stand on the truck here, eh? On the top. Yeah.
Oh, that's how we do it.
Okay, that's alright. That's much better. We can sit.
Okay. Have a good one there, brother.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, see ya.
See if this hat will stay on.
Yeah.
Are you being serious?
Put it the other way around, perhaps.
Yeah. Alright.
You go, baby.
Good one.
Okay. Have fun.
Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, see ya.
Jeez, his takes longer to open, I'm sure.